Yo, what's going on YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Lake Silverwood, getting ready to try to get into some stripers, largemouth, whatever we could catch. Let's get on the water. Let's see what we could do. Your boy Daniel got the arsenal. You got a depth and a tenor bait. Where you want to try to the left, or you want to try this way over here to the Miller? What is that, Miller?
I think we could probably start right here by the ramp.
Snag. What is it, your fluke?
Yeah.
At least it ain't the 250 or the 175. You broke off? Oh, I'm on. On a largie. Bro. On the Kitech, G. I'm gonna walk that fool this way so he don't get off. Oh, I got him, bro. I got him nasty. Shee. That's my first largie here. I don't know if you guys can see that. My camera's probably all wet. Nah, it's not. Let me see. Let's see how big this guy is. I thought I was snagged. There he is, guys, 15. There he is, guys, 17 and a half on the Kitech. You said what now, big dog?
I'm not throwing back yet. It's not still this nigga David's move. This is how this fool catches fish. I catch one, he comes up and does one of these.
Slime coat on that.
Oh, that's bigger than up here. Look over there. No, for sure 3.
He a little 3-er.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get him back in the water now. This fool's been out for a minute.
And how big you think those ones like that were? The 2 that I posted? They look good.
Hey, we got the skunk off though.
Yeah.
Off the Kitech. I thought I was snagged right after you snagged. I was like, oh, I just got snagged too. And I feel that fool just fighting. All right, fam, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I only ended up getting that 2-3 pound largemouth bass. We ended up trying to hit the shoreline pretty hard and didn't end up running into anything else. So that's pretty much gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every one of you guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.